Hello, welcome to tutorial number 3 on HTML. Last time we finished, we had this, and on our web browser it looked like this. Now, this is pretty boring, and we need to add cooler stuff to our website here. Not just some plain text here. We gotta make it a little better at least. So, today I'm gonna mainly talk about heading tags and also image tags. So header tags have nothing to do with the head tags here. Uh, the head tags here, like I mentioned in our last tutorial, it basically just show the information for search engines and other stuff like that. But header tags basically are the titles of your website, like such as like if you were to look at a newspaper and the title said something, the words would obviously be in bigger letters. So that's basically what a header tag is. So header tag, all you do is H1 in greater than and less than signs like that, and then type your header. We'll do welcome to Bob. Sorry, I can't type today. Barbecue website. And then to close it off, another H1 with a forward slash. So now I'm going to go ahead and save it and refresh and see what happens. So in here we have a much bigger text than the basic one, the default text here. So let's say this is a tad too big for you. You don't want your title quite this big. You can go ahead here and change this to H2 rather than H1. And if we save it, it'll go a tad smaller. And the same thing will happen if you go to H3, it'll get even smaller, H4, etc. So let's go ahead and copy this and paste it, and say you have another title that's semi-important, not quite as important as this one. So we change it to H3 because that's a bit smaller, and we will do recipes of the month. We'll say that's the second most important title. So we'll go ahead and save that. And here you see recipes of the month. Still bigger than the default text. But anyways, you can keep adding all these. You can use them anywhere. All these header tags to go from H1 to H6. H1 is the biggest, H2 is the second, and H3 is in the middle. So now we have this here. We have our main header, welcome to the website, our second header, recipes of the month, and then this text doesn't really go with anything, but we'll just ignore that for now. And right here I found an image of a Bob's thing just to fit with our theme of our website. So let's say we want this picture on our website. Now we need to add an image tag to do this, and we need to add the image tag wherever we want this. So I think we should probably add it after the welcome to Bob's Barbecue website. So we need to go back in here, go in between these two header tags because that's where we want it to be on the website. Now for the image tag, with the picture you find off the web, you do image and then src, which stands for search, and then equals 2 parentheses and then a closing tag. And in between these 2 parentheses is where you put the link to the image. So here's our image. I'm going to copy the image location and paste it right here, and I'll save it. And now let's see what happens. Alright, there we go. Bob's picture comes up here. And here we have a much nicer looking website than what we originally started in this tutorial. Uh, so yeah, this tutorial you learned image tags and header tags. So I hope that was a useful tutorial. Leave a comment if you have any questions and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Subscribe.